Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to remove business account on Instagram. And now let's dive right in. Now to remove business account on your Instagram, first open up the Instagram app, and from over here at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon. Tap on it, and again at the top right corner of the screen, tap on the three-lined icon. And over here guys, you'll be required to scroll down until you can see the business tools and controls. Tap on it, and from over here guys, scroll down. You can see the switch account type option available for us. Tap on the switch account type, and over here you will be able to find the switch to personal account. And the moment you tap on the switch to personal account, the business account or your business account will be removed and you will be on the Instagram personal account. And there guys, this is how to remove business account on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.